Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we need to talk about NVIDIA's latest GPU launch, the RTX 5090, in what can only be described as one of the most chaotic and frustrating launches in recent memory. This release has left gamers, tech enthusiasts, and even professional reviewers with one burning question. Was it a real launch or just a hype-driven marketing stunt? Let's break it all down. So let's talk about launch day, a mix of anticipation and frankly, chaos. At exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Time, thousands of eager consumers were ready to hit that buy button, but instead of securing NVIDIA's latest powerhouse, most were met with this. Yeah, those infamous notify me buttons and out of stock notifications. Sound familiar? Even the pros weren't spared. Gamers Nexus, Jeremy, Mike, and the team tried every trick in the book. Stock trackers, manual refreshes, multiple monitor setups, nothing worked. And if you were like me, you probably looked something like this. Ah! At one point, a single Founders Edition card appeared, only to vanish faster than my paycheck on payday. And it wasn't just them. Reddit and tech forums exploded with users sharing their own tales of defeat. Now let's talk numbers, because they don't lie. Micro Center, one of the biggest US retailers, reportedly received just 233 units across 29 stores. That's about 8 cards per store. Even in tech-heavy Orange County, California, only 67 units were available. And remember, that's a region with over 3 million people. International markets? Even worse. Canada Computers got exactly 0 cards. In Japan, retailers held lotteries just for the chance to buy one. And in China, some shops flaunted stacks of exclusive RTX 5090D models, but only in limited quantities. And of course, scalpers wasted no time. Cards were being flipped for up to $5,500, and that's a 200% markup over MSRP. One guy even accidentally bought 2 and couldn't cancel one, becoming an accidental scalper himself. So, how bad was it really? Gamers Nexus crunched the numbers. They estimate that NVIDIA shipped just 341 Founders Edition cards before launch, and nearly half went to reviewers. Even major system integrators struggled. One received just a single card. Another sold out of their entire 20-unit allocation in less than 3 minutes. So why did NVIDIA botch this launch so badly? There's a few theories floating around. CES 2025 hype. NVIDIA probably wanted to ride the media wave around CES, but without stock to back it up. That strategy backfired. Chinese New Year shutdowns. Factories slowed down or shut down completely during this period. That likely hurt production. And who can forget tariff concerns? NVIDIA might have rushed the launch to avoid potential tariffs in the US. AI focus. NVIDIA's been laser focused on the AI and enterprise markets. Consumer GPUs, they may have taken a back seat. Or maybe it was all just a marketing stunt. The big question now is, where does this leave gamers and NVIDIA? For those lucky enough to snag a card, the RTX 5090 offers insane specs. 32 gigabytes of VRAM, top tier performance, but the effort and frustration, that's a steep cost. NVIDIA's handling of this launch raises serious questions about their commitment to gamers. Sure, they can argue that the 5090 is a niche product, but the broader gaming community sees it as yet another example of a company that's out of touch with its core audience. So, what's the takeaway? Hype is great until it isn't. NVIDIA needs to fix these issues fast if they want to keep their crown in the GPU market. So, what do you think? Did you try to buy an RTX 5090? Did you get lucky, or was it a complete nightmare? And more importantly, do you think this is going to happen again with the RTX 5070, or even AMD's upcoming 9000 series GPUs? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button if you got hit with the notify me of nothing scam. Drop the F in the comments if you got outclicked by a bot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech content. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.